Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Play. This is JC. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a bootable macOS High Sierra USB drive. To get started, you'll need an 8 gig USB drive or higher, and if you're using a 2015 or newer Mac, you'll need a USB to a USB-C adapter. You also need a copy of macOS High Sierra, which can be downloaded from the App Store. Once you have downloaded High Sierra from the App Store, the installer will launch automatically, so simply quit the installer by pressing Command Q. To get started, we need to navigate to the Applications directory, then search for the Install macOS High Sierra app. Once you have located the app, right-click on it, then select Show Package Contents. Next, open the Contents directory, followed by Resources, then locate Create Install Media. Before we go any further, we need to open a terminal to create the bootable USB installer. Do this by launching Terminal from the Launchpad or the Applications Utilities directory. Once the terminal is open, type in sudo, then space. Now drag and drop the Create Install Media into the terminal. Next type in -- volume, then space. Now drag your USB drive into the terminal. Next type in -- application path, then space. In Finder, navigate back to the Applications folder, then drag and drop the Install macOS High Sierra app into the terminal, then hit Enter. You'll be prompted to enter your admin password. Once completed, you'll be asked to erase your USB drive. Simply type in Y to continue. This will format the USB drive, then begin installing the installer files to disk. Now this may take a few minutes depending on your USB drive. Once completed, you'll be able to use the USB drive to install a fresh copy of macOS High Sierra. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button and subscribe for weekly content. If you have any suggestions on videos you would like to see in the future, then please send an email located in the About section of the channel. This is JC with TechPlay. Thanks for watching.